we did check permission in the information we could use the GoPro with the chest on it. There we go. Ready, Leo? Hooray! Hooray!
Oh, frontmost waiver!
The air time on that is immense. Real house your seat ejector. Love it. Oh, I don't know where it would rank for me, but it's definitely in one of it's my top 10. Love it. And the rattle, although there is a rattle, it doesn't really bother me. It's not comfortable. It's not headache inducing or anything. So we've had 3 rides now back to back, and I feel fine. I could go again, but I better not. I better let Claire have another go. And I got a back row this time. There's some of the track layout there. Whoa, right, whoa! You know, I've get whipped over on the back. The only thing I'll say on the back was it wasn't knocking my legs a little bit into the harness, which it wasn't doing on the other rows I sat in. But fully enjoyed it, really good. Fantastic coaster. Well, I just enjoy it, I love it. What was your patrol ride, Leo?
Good.
Enjoyed that?
Yeah.